วัสดีครับวันนี้ผมจะมาถ่ายไฮไลท์นะครับคมมากไฮไลท์ EP ที่ 4นะครับมาดูกันนะครับ
I feel unattached. I'm feeling bad, baby. I am not all you want from me. I just want your company. Girls, all these elephant in the room. We are parapet, don't act so confused. You're starting it, now I'm in a mood. Now we arguing in my bedroom. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before, and I won't be your better. Tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I am playing by your rules. Everything look better with a view. Why you always in the mind? Around nothing right now. Tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I'm playing by your rules. Better with a view. So when you try to figure love on the regular, when you could be like my cellular, I won't ever let a shawty got me second up. Only thing waiting up, I'm talking sneak back, kick back, got you can play another day with the sun. It was way before you know. Got a lot of love, well you better save it for me. We play games of love to avoid the depression. We've been here before, and I won't be your better. I was in the mall, walking around nothing right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I am playing for your rules. Everything look better with a view. I was in the mall, walking around nothing right now. I ain't tryna tell you what to do, we're tryna play it cool. Baby, I ain't playing for your rules. Everything look better with a view. To the small line, I can't take you for the deadline. I can't take your pain and all. Let me take you to the small line. I can take you to the spotlight. I can get you out of your damn mind. I can get you out of this damn life. Go back to the store where we had it all, sipping Hennessy, going through it all. I know you don't want love. No, I know you better know. Heartbroken, yeah, your things wrong. They want you, said they were the one. Oh, let me take you to the spotlight. I can take you to the spotlight. I can take away your damn mind. Let me take you to the spotlight. I can get you out of your damn